Alexa, ikaw ay pintas? Ano? Nagpintas? What's that? It's 2 a.m. in New Zealand using your pink puffer coat. Oh! Yay! I hope na maging useful po sa inyo yung puffer coat na yun. I'm glad that you're able to use it winter ba dyan sa New Zealand ngayon. It means maganda. Oh, magpintas. Ano? Nagpintas? Nagpintas means maganda. Thank you. It's Talia. Isang good luck naman po sa akin na mag-take the board exam. Good luck. I wish you all the best. Pray, pray, pray. Don't forget to pray.
Hi.
Maganda yung Tagalog. Okay, I didn't know that. Thank you. I learned something new. You're so ganda. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Nanood akong PBB community. Palagi kita support. Thank you. Thank you so much. Nasaan si KD? Nasa bahay niya. Inspiration ng song. Okay, actually, hindi po ako yung nagsulat ng song. The songwriter is Angelica. Oh my god, I'm gonna butcher her last name. Let me double check. I don't want magkamali. Ay, Ponyo. I don't want magkamali. Yeah, wait lang. Angelica. Angelica Tagantad. There. The songwriter's name is Angelica Tagantad and she wrote a beautiful song. It's really, really nice. So, I guess siya na-inspire. Ano kaya ang inspiration ni Angelica? Hi, Ate Mau!
Sasalamin ka talaga?
Dati, dapat magsalamin ako.
Kaso lalong
kapal.
Oo. Lalong
Shout out from Zamboanga City. Hi, everyone! Malapit na mag-11. Malapit na rin tayo lumipat sa TikTok. Super love your eyelashes. Thank you. I really love this mascara. I feel like siya yung talagang nakaka-hold ng lashes ko.
pa-adjust na yan ng
Hi,
pa-adjust.
Alexa. You're so pretty. Kathy was my cousin. Hi! Hope to meet you soon. Thank you. Hi, Alexa. Pakibati naman lahat ng members ng Momshies of KD Lex.
Ayan.
Hi, mga Momshies!
Kapag ko.
Tapos naduduling ako ng malapit na talaga as in. Minsan nga nag-block ng kami.
Aloha from Hawaii. Aloha!
Sabi ko sa
I've always wanted to go to Hawaii. I want to try authentic poke and authentic spam musubi. Sobrang nalulungkot, nakakalungkot, no? Walang music.
Maizilas.
Oh well, it's okay.
Ano na to? 2 days ko lang
Cause you are the music in me. Eh,
Nag-block ka sa kaya minsan pag nagka-type ako, remano yung mute ko.
ultimate crush is going bulilit. Oh, thank you. Thank you so
Minsan
much.
na, kumain ka.
Ano pa ba?
Nanag sa haircut ko. Oh, layered.
Oo.
I think layered. Alam nyo guys, hindi na ata uso yung mga tawag-tawag ngayon. Basta maghanap ka lang ng picture sa Pinterest, like ng peg. Tapos yun, pakita mo lang sa hairstylist mo. Thank you to everyone who's watching from all around the world. Nagpatani ka ba? No! I think pumuti na ako eh. Nagmukha makutan. Hi, Justin! Justin Dizon. Justin Josa Dizon. Okay, smile ka. Ikaw papakita ka eh. Magulo na to eh kasi hindi ko to naayos. Basta layer, layer, layer. Tapos may bangs ba ako? Parang wala naman halos. Bakit? Ayan, napaso po kasi ako. Ang galing-galing ko.
Hey guys, magandang gabi.
When are you going going back to Zamboanga? I don't know. Hopefully soon.
Ipapas, yes, at iba pa mga i-discuss na ng paano sa region.
Would you rather have a tree grow or a leaf grow? Oh, you're bad. Oh, you're a mean. You're a meanie panini. You did not. I'm too stunned to speak. Okay na ba sleep mo? It's better. May nights lang talaga na hirap. Visible ba? Yes, you're visible. You like New Jeans, right? You'll have a concert here. I want to watch. I hope not mahal. The ticket. Fan na fan mo ko. Thank you po. Tar Hatanor. So the therapist told me to make a sleep diary. So that's what I've been doing every night now. And how to track my sleep. Also, I wear a ring, if you're familiar. It's called an Oura ring. O-U-R-A. I hope I pronounced it right. But it helps me track my sleep. So that's what I have to use every night to see how many hours I got. Yeah. And if I had any dreams, I have to log it also sa sleep diary ko. Ganon. Have you tried taking magnesium? Actually, I have been. I think it's, I've been taking it for a month. And although it doesn't make me sleep, like it doesn't make me sleepy, what I noticed is, since I've started taking the magnesium glycinate, when I'm able to sleep, I have deep sleep. Like I dream, it's usually uninterrupted sleep. So that's what I've noticed since I've started taking magnesium. It's already 10:40 ang bilis ng oras. And then we're going to transfer to TikTok. Sino po lagi sa dreams niyo? Alam niyo, yun lang, I don't remember all of my dreams. Especially, kunyari na naginip ako, tapos nagising ako in the middle of the night and I have to pee. Wala na, sa umaga, di ko maalala yung dreams. But yung pinakahuli kong dream, na panaginipan ko yung stylist ko. Panaginipan ko si Patty Yap. Nakakatawa. Ilang balda ng luha required ng song mamaya para maka-ready? Bigyan mo ko 3 balda. And if you could do more, then do more. Pero 3 is enough. Your eyebrows are so nice. Are you using anything to make it kapal? No, makapal po talaga yung kilay ko. As in, umaabot pa nga yan dito, oh. Sinishave lang. Ayan, oh, may buhok. But ang dami mo pong buhok. So, nagkaroon kasi ako ng phase. Actually, naman phase, matagal-tagal din ako nahilig sa books. Tapos especially nung nag-college ako, sobra akong na-addict magbasa ng book. Parang lagi akong nakakabasa ng 1 book a day, ganyan. Pero yun lang, super na busy na. Hindi naman makapagbasa ng book. Pero binabasa ko ngayong book is Word Power. Tama ba? Yun kasi yung ginagamit ko to learn English. Word Power. Yeah. Yeah, Word Power made easy. It's a book I would read to help me with my vocabulary. Natural freckles, Benya. I have freckles. Although sa left, hindi gaano. Pero sa right, mas madami akong freckles. Do you want to go up, Kylie? freckles. I didn't really like my freckles before,
Hindi alis yung contractor na yung bilisan na.
but there's nothing I can do. Alam niyo, nung bata ako, wala na akong freckles. Pero nung nagdadalaga na, nag-growing up, bigla na lang nagsilabasan yung mga freckles. So si Katie ay aakyat daw sa TikTok. Baka nag-rest mo siya ngayon. So if you wanna see Katie, you gotta go to TikTok later. Harry Potter fan ka po ba? I hope that you do not think of me as an uncultured swine, but I haven't watched any Harry Potter. I haven't watched any Harry Potter, any Lord of the Rings, any Star Wars, and I know that makes me uncultured. But I just haven't. Blood Nut is real. Oh, Wawa naman. Wawa. Wawa. I have a favorite game now. It's called Good Pizza, Great Pizza. It's supposed to be a cozy game, but it's stressing me the heck out. Kaya uso lang na daw ngayon, no? Kaya dapat doble-doble ang vitamins. Anong name mo sa TikTok, Alexa? Alexa Ilacan. Tama ba? Tama naman, no? Alexa Ilacan. This is my iPad. It's my favorite toy right now. But I'm so sad because I lost my Apple Pencil the other day. And sobrang babaw, pero sobrang sama ng loob ko. Kasi mahal yun eh. Ayoko nang bumili ng bago. Pero hindi na ako makapaglaro ng pizza. Kasi wala yung Apple Pencil. Dengue season, weba. I've never had dengue. I've never been confined, ever. Favorite Friends character? That's so hard. I love Chandler. I love Phoebe Buffet. But a lot of people have told me that I am a Monica. And I love Chandler and Monica. They're like my OTP. Nagbubuhay si Blas. Si Blas na kalbo. My dog looks like Dobby. Blush! Hi, Dobby dog! Blush! 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 Hi, Dobby! Dobby dog! Looks like Dobby. Dobby is from The Lord of the Rings. Dobby, the alien. Dobby dog.